To all the bitter baby mamas, get your shit together. That's a whole new topic, man. Yo, welcome to the Niq&Will Mukbang show, nigga. Alright, y'all. So what we got is eggroll
and the fried chicken
and fried chicken. And that good sauce.
I'm using honey because I'm just obsessed with honey for my chicken.
So we're doing a story time about
a lot of things.
Nah, you got stuck, nigga.
You know, we're gonna do a story time about when we tried to go.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
When we tried to go exchange some fishing rods at Walmart. When did this happen, babe?
2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago.
Hitting.
Hold on, y'all. I ain't gonna.
Dang, I don't know how people do these mukbangs and
talk.
like talk. Because
It be up.
I'm sorry, I can't keep focus.
Alright, I'm gonna try.
No, we're gonna go exchange these fucking things, and there's this bitch in front of us. She got to exchange one of her items without a receipt, and we didn't have a receipt. Well, technically it wasn't ours, it was Mom's. Mom, the one who got the fishing reel, she was just trying to exchange them. They wouldn't let her exchange it without a pussy ass receipt. But they let the woman in front go without the receipt.
Yeah.
And so the girl behind the cash register, Sally Mae.
Sally Mae.
She calls who she called? The GM?
Yeah, no, assistant manager. She called the assistant manager.
The AGM.
Right, and then we were waiting. He ain't come yet. We were waiting. Then you saw him.
Yeah, I seen this dude with a little earpiece in, and I was like, uh-oh. I called it before he even came over there. I mean, he was like an asshole.
Yeah. And he was like, before he even said,
Before the situation could even be explained to him, before he even said hi, before we were even greeted, this fool gonna talk about him.
you ain't getting your money back.
Y'all ain't getting y'all money back.
Right.
Nobody even wanted their money back, first of all. We just trying to exchange it.
I can't talk. This shit good.
No, but moral of the story is Mom got mad. She threw the bait at their ass. No.
I know.
They was arguing.
Oh. Yeah, but that burnt shit.
That's the burnt one?
Yeah.
Oh, I just wanted a flat. I would have ate the flat if you gave me the flat, but you wasn't trying to give up that flat. But yeah, they just started arguing. But we haven't been on YouTube in forever.
For real.
We've been slacking. It's hard to stay consistent when, you know, you got other...
Gotta get the shit together. But shit, man. I'm trying to do it because I'm tired of working for folks, man.
Mm.
For real. I'm tired.
And we want to be dedicated to this YouTube shit. But it's like,
Come on.
I feel like we still got shit to handle. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We can't be waiting forever to get, noticed and popping on YouTube or whatever.
But you still, I should just go for it. Go all in. Because I'm tired of working for these folks, man. I'm tired.
I'm tired. I put that honey on that chicken. Fuck hot sauce.
Hey, no, but the Walmart story, y'all, that shit was funny though. Because
We should have recorded it.
yeah, I should've. I was thinking about it too. Right, so that shit, but man, do the fishing bait ass. Oh, geez, he threw that bitch ass down. But no hesitation.
I didn't even know that was coming.
That shit,
Oh no, them shits got snatched out my hand and thrown across the fucking room. That's all I fucking seen.
and she was trying to take the.
What else she was trying to do, babe?
She was trying to get gangster, y'all. She was trying. She got gangster a little bit.
But she didn't want to get
Then,
too
what's his name? Said, man, I shot the shit out your ass to the white man.
Yeah, really did. I'm like, damn.
To the white
I'm
man.
like, you was the one just peaching priest. Peace.
You know what I'm talking about? Let's go. No. Looked at the white man and said, no, I shot the shit out your ass.
Alright.
Mm.
Me and Babe was just looking so appalled and puzzled. I wasn't appalled because I know how my mom get down, but I wasn't expecting for it to happen like that though. I wasn't expecting for none of that to transpire. I'm like, damn. Was it good, babe?
Yeah. I gotta go put that at work. Man just called me. I'm like, fuck you, bitch. I don't give a fuck shit. Fucking with a rich ass nigga like me. I can't wait, y'all. I can't wait to get big.
Whoever fucking created this drink, smart as fuck. How was it that one? Did it taste like it was burnt?
It had some flavor.
Y'all, we threw a piece of chicken in, and the oil was like hot as fuck. It instantly burnt it. Right. Instantly. Babe, tell them what's in these egg rolls. These are homemade egg rolls.
It's the clothes off, little shit,
The
tilapia,
the
bacon,
stir-fried vegetables, tilapia, bacon,
Eggs.
eggs.
That shit good.
I know we threw y'all off with that bacon, but believe it or not, it's good as fuck.
That be good.
The last one we had was
Wait,
tilapia shrimp, and then we made one that had just
bacon.
bacon.
Yeah, bacon. Ooh, gotta go to work. Don't wanna go to work. These pussy ass nigga just called my phone.
I'm talking about ring a ding a dingy dingy dong.
I said, bitch, leave me alone. I mean, not bitch.
No, bitch, leave us alone. This thing is damn near the size of my head. I got an apple head.
Kenny apple. You look like a Kenny apple. You got an apple head.
Whose head is bigger, mine or yours?
Yours, nigga.
They're about the same. Don't play with me. Cause look, delete your neck.
Everybody look like you.
But no, y'all. We just wanted to do this cute little mukbang or whatever to let you guys know that we're gonna be posting more.
That's alright, bro.
Look, I dropped so much honey on the floor.
I gotta get ready for work. That's how I feel about the job. Because I'm gonna get tired. Every time we make egg roll, I gotta go to work.
I know the last time we made egg rolls, we had to go to work.
At the same time, but at 5.
But sorry for this video being so sloppy and all over the place. We got a do-rag on.
Y'all see my little twists? About to get the dreadlock. Hey, but before I go,
Are you really gonna interlock them?
yeah.
But what were you saying before I interrupted you?
Yeah, you good. I just want to say this to all the bitter baby mamas. Get your shit together. That's a whole new topic, man. I'm like, damn, bitch. Whoever know me, know me. But I got a baby mama lied talking about she going to the army.
She did.
That was a lie.
She did say that pussy ass shit.
Came all the way down to Florida to get my baby. Got my baby. I ain't get the birth certificate now. She came in, tried to drop the birth certificate off. Skirt on the nigga with my child. Almost ran me over. Almost got hit by the little beat up car. Damn, man.
You know say little beat up car. You need so fucking childish. Fucking burnt myself, y'all. Look at that pussy ass shit.
Can't stand baby mama.
Well, you shouldn't have them.
I sure, you right. I was old and dumb. Cause I knew what I was doing. Damn, I gotta go to work. Whew. Nah, fuck with me, man. Gang. Clean fin the mukbang. Mukbang.
Couldn't even finish the mukbang.
Mukbang.
Yeah, no. There's too much.
I know you lying.
Bitch, I know you lie.
I know, buddy.
Whoa.
Whoa. Alright, y'all. I gotta get ready for work. On some
And you know
gangster
what
shit.
I gotta get ready for?
What?
These. Not just joking. You just gonna end it off like that. You ain't gonna even do your outro and nothing.
I gotta go to work. Alright, y'all, listen here.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey, like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, fuck with Niq&Will. Hey, we drinking on some pills. I'm just playing, y'all.
But yeah, no, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the post notification thingy-majigger.
Dreadlock gonna be on fuck it, nigga. But face getting clear. Watch out now.
Hit the post notification. Hit the post notification to be notified whenever we post. We're gonna start posting more so we can get this shit done.
Yeah, man. Y'all let us know what to do. Y'all
Yeah.
whack ass.
Y'all not whack. He didn't mean that. But no, yeah, guys, comment what
I
you
ain't
want to
mean it.
see.
I'm just talking shit.
Baby.
Baby, won't you call my phone? See?
Leave me alone.
I've been it, for real. Oh, she want to take it. I gotta go to work. Pussy at work. Hashtag no more working for white folks. He said, fuck the white people. We don't give a fuck. Bitches say I'm racist. I don't give a fuck. Rolling on some drink. I don't give a fuck. Fuck the white folks. I don't give a fuck. I'm a young black man trying to get rich. All they pussy nigga trying to hit me.
Oh
Say,
my gosh.
I know.
Babe.
I know.
We gotta
too.
go.
Yeah, bye. I gotta go to work.